Hey everyone, welcome back to TechFindz, your go-to spot for honest reviews and the best tech deals. Today we're checking out the ASUS Vivobook Go 15 2025, a sleek, powerful, and budget-friendly laptop made for students and professionals. With an AMD Ryzen Processor, 8 GB RAM, and SSD storage, it delivers lightning-fast performance for studying, editing, and streaming, all in a super light design. The battery lasts all day and supports fast charging, so you're always ready to go. And here's the best part. When you buy through our TechFindz Amazon link, you get exclusive discounts you won't find by searching Amazon directly. Just tap the first comment below, grab your deal, and head straight to the official ASUS Vivobook Go 15 page on Amazon. Once you've scored your discount, drop a comment and tell us how much you saved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. TechFindz brings you the smartest tech and real deals every week.